If you're new to woodworking or just need to get a chisel set, you should look at these Grebstk chisels. They come in a 4-pack here with various sizes, and these things are great if you've got to do any woodworking where you require a chisel. Now, they're not the most expensive, now they're not the cheapest on the market either, but I found these to be a great chisel to have around for basic woodworking. Now, if you're a professional woodworker, these might be on the lower end for you, but for beginners, these are a great chisel to have around. You get this carry case for holding the chisels, which is handy to have so you can keep all the chisels together. There are 4 in here, and you do have a 1/4 inch, a 1/2 inch, a 3/4 inch, and a 1 inch chisel. Every chisel comes with a little plastic cover on the end to protect the edge. Now, I've been using these chisels and had great results with the woodworking projects that I've been working on. You got a nice wooden handle here. It's not too heavy. You got a metal rig on the end for whatever reason, but it feels nice. And the same can be said about the other 3. They're obviously a little bit heavier as you get up in size because this one here is 1 inch. You can see this one here is being used the most, but it's still kept a really sharp edge. And you can always sharpen these if they do get dull, which I do like about quality tools, that you can sharpen them. If you get cheap quality tools, you can't sharpen them as well. They don't hold an edge as well as some more quality tools. If you are looking for a set of chisels for your workshop, I really recommend that you get these Grebstk chisels. They're really going to help you out, and they are a great tool to have around on a budget.